Mixing clips together to create clip lists. If the clip list panel is not visible, click on the clip list tab to the right of the clips panel. Up here. This temporarily hides the annotations panel and puts us in a good position to start making clip lists. You'll notice in this view of the Clipper editor we've now got two sets of video resources up the right hand side, and if I click on them you'll see that each one has got a video clip associated with it and an annotation associated with each video clip. That's the Cadbury's chocolate advert. It's got a clip associated with it, and that clip has got an annotation associated with it. You can see here that we've got a parent-child relationship going from left to right. Here's the parent, the child, and the grandchild. These are all related. But going to make the clip lists panel available here, I've clicked on clip lists again, and we're back to the start of making clip lists. Clip lists. First of all, you have to go to the clip list panel here and type a name into this section, which appears at the top of the panel. So I'll just call it my first clip list. I'll click on new clip list, and we'll see that the title for my clip list appears here, where other clip lists will also appear. Next, you select a clip list that you want to add clips to by clicking on it to make it highlighted, like this, so that this is now our active clip list. This becomes important obviously when you've got more than one clip list. You then go to the clips panel and choose a clip that you want by clicking on it and highlighting it. So I'm going to go back to the Mr. Bean video and select the clip that we made there. I'm going to add this to our clip list. And I do that by moving down to the right here and clicking on this button, Add to Clip List, and you'll see that the title of that clip now appears here to the right of the clip list. In other words, this panel here, the clip list clips, represents the contents of this clip list. Again, we've got a parent-child relationship going on here between the clip list and the clip list clips that are inside it. Next, I'm going to go to another video resource, this one about Cadbury's chocolate that I've made. I'm going to click on this clip, which I've called DJ Chocolate. And you can see here I've added a description of the clip. I'm going to add this clip to the active clip list by clicking on the Add to Clip List button down here. And you'll see the change here over to the right, that DJ Chocolate has been added after Pepper won the Mr. Bean way. You can highlight a clip here and then remove it from the clip list if you want to before you export it, but we won't do that now. We'll just leave this as it is. Export clip lists to a desktop folder and share them with other Clipper users. To do this, you just select a clip list like so, and then click on the Export Clip List button down here, and this saves the file to the desktop and at the same time creates a folder. It creates a folder that sits on the desktop of your machine called Clipper Playlists. Each exported clip list file appears in this folder with the clip list name and a CHE file extension. The clip list files are just text files, so are very small in size and can be easily shared with other Clipper users via email, RSS, web links and so on. All you have to do to use a clip list that someone has shared with you is to put the clipper.che file in your Clipper playlists desktop folder, and the Clipper player will automatically pick it up and let you view it. Viewing the clip lists in the Clipper player. When you open the Clipper player, your exported clip lists are automatically loaded into the player for you to view from the desktop folder that the Clipper editor creates. Here we can see the clip list that we created in the previous training video up here at the top left. Any other clip lists that you've created will also be listed here in this scrolling panel. If I click on this clip list, I should see the contents of it in the panel below, like this. Here we can see the two clips that make up this clip list. Pepper 1, the Mr. Bean Way, and DJ Chocolate. Information about each clip is also available here. The title, the in point, the out point, and the description. When you click on a clip in this panel, it should show you the clip on the right hand side in the player, and it should also show the annotations connected to that clip underneath here. So if I click on this clip, Pepper 1, the Mr. Bean Way, you'll see that it begins to load on the right hand side from YouTube. It's taking a little while. Underneath here you can see the annotation that's connected to that clip. I'll just pause that. And here arrives the Mr. Bean clip. You can see it loading in here. It's worth remembering that because we're working with networked video resources, we have to be patient to allow videos to load. I'll go over now to the left and click on DJ Chocolate. This might be slow as the network is obviously loaded at the moment, but let's see what happens. Here the advert shows, and the annotation that we made here is shown underneath. Because that clip was only 5 seconds long, you'll see it's paused at the end of its 5 seconds. Here I'll go back to the Mr. Bean clip, and that's loading quicker this time. And that's it. Apart from the option to play all clips, I'll just press the button down at the bottom left here, and that should play all the clips in a clip list sequentially. There we go, it starts again with the first clip in the clip list, and that should play through all the clips in a clip list, however many there are. And that's it for the end of the training video. Thanks very much for watching.
And sharing your clip list with others couldn't be easier, because Clipper only captures as a simple text file the timings you choose from within the parent YouTube resources timeline. File sizes are tiny and easily distributed to friends, family, clients or students.